family farm. Getting ready to make dinner for the family tonight. Just kind of wanted you all to tag along and see what we're having for supper tonight. So we are getting ready to cook up some brats. You don't have to have a grill to cook these up. You can literally use your oven. And let me show you how we do it. Tonight we are going to have our hot buffalo wing brats, and we are doing our loaded Liberty brats. The loaded are our favorites. You've heard us say those 100 times. The boys like these. The boys don't like hot. So Tim and I will do the hot ones. I preheat my oven to 400. I cook them on a cookie sheet on parchment paper. I will do one side. We will cook them for 7 minutes. Then we will flip them over. Yeah, then we will flip them over and then we'll cook the other side for an additional 7 minutes. So 14 minutes total on each side is what we will cook them for. I'm going to take them out of here. I'm going to line them up on our cookie sheet and then I'll throw them in the oven. Guys, so our loaded Liberty, just wanted you to take a look at these brats and see the size of them. So here they are. They are good size. They actually will plump after we get done cooking them. If you haven't tried our brats, please do so. They're amazing. So we're just gonna line them up. Okay guys, here you have it. So we have the loaded Liberty brats right here and our hot buffalo wings over here. So what makes a loaded Liberty brat loaded? These guys here are packing, and you can see in here, they are loaded with cheddar cheese, onion, garlic, and they have bacon in them. They are amazing. They are the most brat that we sell the most of. They are a customer favorite. The hot buffalo wing one right here, it is made out of spices. So like red bell pepper, celery. It's got nice vinegar powder into it. It's got garlic powder as well in it. So it's just gonna give it that nice spicy little taste with the spicy seasoning from the peppers in it. Can't wait to try these. We've had these. We have not tried the hot buffalo wing ones yet, so they will be new. Trying those out, so we'll let you guys know what we think of them. These though we eat on a regular basis, the loaded Liberty brats. If you've had them, you know they are amazing. You can't go wrong with the loaded Liberty brats. So let's pop them in the oven here. We're gonna pop them in again. We are popping them in for 400. We have that already preheated. They will go in for 7 minutes on this side. We will take them out, we will flip them over, and we will put them back in the oven for another 7 minutes. Let's get cooking. Guys, so here's the first look at the first 7 minutes here. So as you can see, they plumped up even more. So you're just gonna take and you're gonna flip. Okay, you'll do that with every single one of them here. You'll just flip them. Okay, so flip them, then you'll put them back in the oven for another 7 minutes. Okay, they just came out from their second time being in, so both sides have been cooked. They are sizzling. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but they look really good. We're gonna let them cool down just for a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bun them up, plate them up, and try them out. Hey guys, so moment of truth. I've just gave Tim this hot buffalo wing brat here. We always try out all of our beef when we're trying out something new with nothing on it, just to try out the flavor of it and see what it really tastes like. Tim likes barbecue sauce a lot of times on his brats or burgers, so this is probably difficult for him just to try it out, y'all. What do you think, Tim?
It's got good flavor. It's got some spice to it, but it's not too hot. Hey, Noah, are you gonna eat one too?
Noah decided he wanted one, you guys.
Look how big these brats are.
Toddler approved. Is it good? Toddler approved.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Let's take a look in here, boys and girls. So that's what 14 minutes will give you when you cook in the oven. This is proof that you can just cook your brats in the oven. You don't always have to put them on the smoker or the grill and grill them. You can literally just pop them in the oven for 14 minutes, just like I did. Just don't overcook them so they stay nice and juicy and pack in that flavor. You got anything you want to add, Tim?
I just think it's a good all-around brat. It's got lots of flavor. It's got a little bit of spiciness, but not too much. Noah could even eat it if he wanted to. So I think it's just perfect.
All right, guys. This is Heather, Tim, Noah, Jason with Van Loon Family Farm. Have a good night. Leave us a comment below and let us know what you're cooking for dinner. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Real bad.